Still, let's make the carnivore diet simple. This chart shows exactly which foods are included and how to follow this eating style.
Let's start with breakfast. Notice how the breakfast row is highlighted while the rest of the chart stays visible for easy understanding.
Breakfast includes 4 whole eggs, a 200-gram beefsteak, butter for cooking, and 1 to 2 glasses of water. Eggs are one of the most nutrient-dense foods in the carnivore diet. They provide complete protein along with essential vitamins and minerals. Next is the 200-gram beefsteak, an excellent source of high-quality protein, iron, vitamin B12, and healthy animal fats. Butter is used for cooking, while 1 to 2 glasses of water help support hydration. This completes the breakfast section of the carnivore diet chart. Now let's move to the lunch section. This meal continues the carnivore approach by focusing entirely on nutrient-dense animal foods.
Lunch includes a 300-gram ribeye steak, 1 cup of bone broth, and sea salt if needed for electrolyte support.
Ribeye steak provides complete protein and healthy fats. Bone broth supplies collagen and minerals, while sea salt may help maintain electrolyte balance. Now let's look at the dinner section. Dinner continues the same carnivore principles, with simple, nutrient-rich animal foods. Dinner includes 300 grams of salmon or lamb, 2 fried eggs, and beef tallow or butter for cooking. Salmon provides omega-3 fats. Lamb delivers high-quality protein, and eggs add extra nutrients to complete a satisfying evening meal. If you feel hungry between meals, choose simple animal-based snacks instead of processed foods. Good snack options include beef jerky with no added sugar, boiled eggs, cheese if tolerated, or pork rinds.
For drinks, choose water, sparkling water, black coffee, or unsweetened tea. Avoid sugary drinks and fruit juices.
If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Health Journey for more evidence-based health tips. Thanks for watching.